And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Welcome back, everyone, on this toasty Tuesday. Even though we're starting with radar because we have some passing showers across parts of central and southern Colorado, the big story is the heat. We warned you about it yesterday. Some areas seeing temps this afternoon at or above 100 degrees. But there's also enough moisture undercutting this strong ridge of high pressure to bring some mountain showers extending from the San Luis Valley to the Wets and Sangres, and a cluster of stronger showers now moving out of Elbert County into southern parts of Lincoln County. Most of the rain has evaded us so far here in the Springs, but we're not too far away from this cluster of storms. And even though it's about 50 miles or so to our east, it is generating some gusty winds, and those outflow winds can spread out dozens of miles from any neighboring storms. That's probably going to be the bigger impact region-wide through this evening, with just very few rogue or isolated showers up until sunset tonight. Then we have a strong cold front that drops in from the north tomorrow, and this really mixes things up, right? We're going to flip the script from the hot, dry weather most of us have seen today to a much more widespread day of showers and storms, some of which that could be on the strong to severe side, not just Wednesday, but that could continue into Thursday as well. It's been fairly overcast this afternoon. That's helped to put a cap on some of that heat we saw earlier this afternoon. Right now at the 5 o'clock hour, we are checking in the mid-80s in Colorado Springs, and that looks a lot nicer, in my opinion, than the 97 that we're sitting at out of the Riverwalk this afternoon in Pueblo. Here is the incoming cold front now moving into northeastern Colorado this afternoon. This is going to race pretty quickly south. I think it'll likely reach the Palmer Divide by around daybreak tomorrow and then move south into Pueblo County as we head towards mid to late morning. Behind the front, we get that easterly upslope flow. That's a good originator of moisture and some instability in the atmosphere. And as early as the lunch hour to early afternoon, watch out for the development of some showers and storms. Now, with some instability in the atmosphere tomorrow, combined with some still warm temperatures for this time of the year, we will see a growing risk of severe weather, especially for areas in yellow. I think wind is going to be the main concern. Some storms could generate gusts up over 60 miles per hour, but hail might be an issue with some of those storms, up to about ping pong ball size, about 1.5 inches in diameter. So the front sort of gets hung up pretty early on in the day and then eventually slides south as we make our way towards tomorrow night. And rain again is going to be fairly widespread, could be fairly constant across the region throughout the day. Now on Thursday, I think the main bulk of the heavier rain shifts a little farther south, but anywhere from South Denver to Springs and Pueblo, the Raton Mesa, still dealing with that chance for some of those widely scattered showers and storms. That will continue up until Thursday night. All right, take a look at tonight's overnight lows. A fairly mild one, only down to 59 in the Springs and 63 in Pueblo. Daytime highs tomorrow cool down by as much as 6 to 10 degrees from what we saw today, with further cooling Thursday, and then we rebound to near to slightly above average highs Friday into the weekend. Now, the weekend starts out fairly wet. Dry morning skies on Saturday, but scattered thunderstorms and locally heavy rain that follow through the afternoon. For Pueblo, I think we'll dry out for a day on Friday with a chance of some monsoon-driven showers and storms this weekend. Canyon City, strong to severe storms tomorrow with heavy rain, still a threat through Thursday. And at Woodland Park, numerous storms expected both Wednesday and Thursday, Diane, with scattered storms likely into early next week.